Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the convection fan assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Now fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Slide out the oven racks. Note the orientation of the convection fan cover, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to release the cover from the rear panel. Next, unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the fan assembly. Disconnect the 2 heater wires as well as the motor wire connector, and you can remove the old assembly. Install the new convection fan assembly by first connecting the motor wire connector and the heater wires. Align the assembly on the rear panel and replace the 3 mounting screws. Reposition the cover and secure it with the screws. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.